Dear students, good evening to all. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, you are audible. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. TV கம்மியாகுது. TV கம்மியாகுது. Dear students, I will start our class exactly at 10. Some of the students are joining now. Waiting for. Yes, students, very good evening to all class.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. But only 12. Only the 12 in our class. Today, topic of disease and introduction about the what is zoonosis, importance of zoonosis, human environment. Just today introduction and a detailed dedication of this is I handle the two paper and paper one is the and the unit two paper paper two prevention and control of the okay two and unit 5 and control of under this you wrote the topic about the viruses especially the today audible hello okay
Yes, yes, it's
especially the today about the water okay this okay just our syllabus already last this is our syllabus control of disease and zoonosis. What is the zoonosis? Prevention control of zoonosis. What is the zooanthroponosis? What is the anthropozoonosis? Okay, some of the detailed discuss about the zoonotic disease of the some of the last class also discussion of zoonosis. What is the zoonotic disease? International emerging problem. Okay, last one. Today detailed explain of the class. Okay, next class are the factors influencing and prevalence of the some some brief introduction about the zoonosis, which means which zoon is the animals which direct what is the zoon means animal nosis means which means the disease comes from the term word zoon 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 which means animals nosis means illness okay definitions are infection that is naturally transmissible from human to animal as the zoonosis. As per the WHO, again, disease or infection that is naturally the word R from human to animal is zoonosis. A disease comes that disease is called the zoonosis. Okay, is it clear? Okay, right. Next one. Among these pathogens, zoonotic in nature very important. Okay, the number of pathogens out of this 61% of them the zoonotic in nature. Okay, Zoonosis is the great public health concern, health hazard, and may even lead to the death. Okay, zoonosis is a great public. You know, the 60% of the diseases come from the zoonosis. That's why health concern and a direct health hazard, death. Okay, across the globe, the 13 million diseases are affecting the human. Later explain the what are the disease in the prevalent affect to the human in the later stage. Okay, introduction about the zoonosis. It's a clear. Have any doubt? What is zoonosis? What is the definition of zoonosis? WHO, how it is disease. The zoonotic disease is the mostly 60% of the disease in the nature was also I explained. And who transmit the zoonosis? The different agent there transmit the disease, different type of, from the farm animal, from the food animal, from the different type of vectors are transmit the zoonotic disease to the animal to the human. Okay, who are the risk under the risk of infant, children, pregnant women, people undergoing the chemotherapy, people with organ transplant, people with HIV/AIDS, and elder people are easily susceptible to. This is the easily susceptible means easily affecting. Okay. Susceptible means easily affect the zoonotic disease. Okay, there is what are the risk of animals immunocompromised? Yes. Coming to this one, the zoonoses are classified on the basis of the three factors. Okay, zoonoses are classified on the basis of the three factors. The first one, according to this etiological agent, according to the mode of transport, and according to their reservoir host. Okay, anyone tell what's the etiological agent? Anyone answer this question? What is etiological agent? Zoonosis are classified based on these three factors, based on the etiological agent, based on the mode of transmission, based on the reservoir host. The zoonosis are classified. Okay. Anyone tell what is etiological agent? Students, fact one. Hello. Bacteria or virus?
Disease causing
Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. What is the exact? What does etiological agent means? A viable microorganism, bacteria or the helminth worm, something. Mostly the microorganism, mostly the viruses or fungus. Okay. The etiological agent means a viable microorganism or it's a toxin. Not only the and it's a toxin. Okay. Some of the microorganisms produce the toxin. Example. Anyone give example? Some bacterial toxin causing the disease.
Sir, good evening, sir. Any bacteria
Huh.
toxin? Can I give example? Like
Huh.
Clostridium bacteria give epsilon toxin.
Clostridium.
Epsilon
Yes, Clostridium
Clostridium
toxin. Okay.
Clostridium bacteria given epsilon toxin
Yes.
in the animals. Thank you, sir.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Very good. Very good. Okay. But that's why etiological agent means a viable organism or it's a toxin that causes or may cause the disease in human and animal. Okay, that is called the etiological agent. Etiological means disease causing. Tell what is etiological agent means. The disease causing microorganism is called the etiological agent. Okay, the etiological I will explain in later. Okay, according to the mode of transmission, the disease are animals to human or from the human to human are the different mode of transmission. Generally, there are the two type mode of transmission and indirect transmission. And the other subtype I will explain in the later. Okay, reservoir. Anyone give answer? What is reservoir? Example. Kaveri, Bakranangal reservoir.
The stored.
Tell you one reservoir means is the habitat, the place of microorganism living. Okay, that is the place of living, that is called the habitat. The habitat that is called the host surviving inside the organ. Other spread the disease to all the reservoir. Okay, it's clear. What is the mode of transmission and what is the reservoir host? Okay, it's clear. This, in the you see the graph. What is this is called the disease ecology. Disease ecology. The spreading of the disease. One is called the environment. One is called the environmental. Is the interlinked one. Okay, the disease ecology is called the three important factors. Environment. Other one is the pathogen are interlinked. Okay, that is called the disease ecology. The disease ecology. Etiological agent, there are the different types. One is called the bacteria and protozoan, helminth parasite. Type of etiological transmit the zoonotic helminths and exoparasite. These are the etiological agent transmit different type of diseases. Okay. Example, in the bacterial disease. Okay, that is the bacterial zoonosis means the bacteria, especially the bacteria transmit the some of the disease. Example, the anthrax, salmonellosis. Okay, anthrax, salmonellosis, tuberculosis, Lyme disease, and the plague, and the leptospirosis. And okay, these are the bacteria transmit the diseases. Bacterial zoonosis, especially mainly for tuberculosis, brucellosis. At least you remembering this bacterial zoonosis and tuberculosis and Lyme disease. Viral zoonosis means them this AIDS caused by HIV, AIDS, avian flu, influenza. Coronavirus is the which
SARS virus, sir.
viruses. Okay, SARS also yes. Okay, influenza viruses into the respiratory system. Viral disease and avian influenza. These are the diseases. What parasitic disease? Some of them, the disease caused by the fungal. The example, ringworm, Q fever, and the mycoplasma. Okay, the disease called the fungal zoonosis. Next one, protozoan zoonosis. Protozoan means spongiosome encephalopathies and mad cow diseases. These are the fungal causing zoonotic diseases. Okay, some of the diseases are the ectoparasite, example, myiasis and scabiasis, etc. Okay, that is called the etiological agent. Based on the etiological, I mainly classify bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoan. Next one, parasitic and helminths one. That is called the based on the etiological agent. It's a clear. You have any doubt in this? Hello. Hello.
No, sir.
Sir, clear, sir.
Clear. Simply you remember the 6 words. Okay. Based on the etiology, what is etiological agent? Disease causing agent. What are the disease causing agent? Bacteria, fungus, protozoan, and helminths worm, and ectoparasite, and prions. Okay, some of the based on the etiological agent, the zoonosis are classified. Okay, according to the mode of transfer, mode of I will explain different mode of I mention that transmission. One is called there are the two types. One is called direct transmission. Transmission. One is called the direct transmission, broadly classified. Divided into two categories. Droplet spray. Okay, follow me. Is the disease transmission. There are the two type of transmission broadly classified, direct and indirect. Okay, again the transmission is classified into one is called the droplet spray. I give you example for the example from soil. This is the example for the area and soil. Okay. Example, pneumonia, meningococcal, this is called the droplet with the directly. Second one is direct transmission. The one is vehicle. What is airborne? Airborne is the mode. Okay, example, airborne. That this pathogen spread is called the airborne means that the air. The aerial mode of respiratory measles. The skill vehicle transmission is some vehicle food and water through food and example hepatitis, typhoid, cholera, food poisoning, disease are spread the water. The example hepatitis, typhoid, food poisoning, water. Okay. Airborne or indirect cause called the airborne. The first is spread through the measles. That is called the vehicle. The food and the water is act as the vehicle. From the through food and the some of the disease, example hepatitis A, food poisoning, BSS. And intestinal parasites are spread through the example TB. Okay, spread through the okay, that is called of transmission. Not the vector. What is vector?
Yeah, something like mosquitoes,
Example
which
mosquito.
transfers, but it will not get
Okay,
affected.
mosquito. Okay, give the one example, popular example. This is a popular example. See, give the one popular example, malaria. Okay, what is the causative agent?
Sir.
Plasmodium, causative agent, malaria. But which one is the intermediate host? Is the intermediate host. Okay, is the causative agent as a to the mosquito. Called the wet. Most of the arthropods act as the airborne diseases. The vector is called the two type, classified into the two type, mechanic and example malaria disease. The different mode of transmission, they probably direct transmission, and transmission is other direct droplet spray. Directly infect the direct contact and hookworm spray. They releasing the influenza and the are called the spread through the droplet spray. The indirect divided into three categories. And there, example, second one is called the vehicle. Means you need some water the hepatitis. Different type of hepatitis based on the hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and D. Okay, hepatitis is the polio. The polio is a near, but still some of the cases are eradicated with the polio. Typhoid fever, yeah, waterborne disease, cholera, and food poisoning, and intestinal to them blood. Example. Okay, hepatitis B, HIV are spread through the blood. The third category is vector, mechanical transmission and biological.
Clear, sir.
It's completely mode of transmission is different mode of transmission is using the different mode of direct and indirect. Okay, direct contact and indirect. Next, some of the terms and know them as per some of the terms. Anthropozoonism in our syllabus also syllabus anthropozoonism clearly explained what is amphizoonosis, zoonosis. What is called the anthropos mean animal disease that can be human. That is called the anthropozoonosis. Anthropozoonosis disease, the animal disease, human. Okay, it is called the clear the transmitted rabies. What causes zoo? A disease that are transmitted animal from human. That is called the zooanthroponosis. Tuberculosis. Animal to human, example rabies means from tuberculosis, simply. Example the tuberculosis, which is the cause.
Michael.
The tuberculosis spread through
Airborne.
airborne. Is the
Air,
from the droplets. Okay, it's airborne
Yes, sir.
spread through the droplets. Okay. The first one is called the what is called the rabies. Rabies is spread by what is the rabies is spread by which organism?
Dogs or
Dogs
some
and
other
Saliva.
monkeys.
like monkeys.
dogs,
Okay.
monkeys, and
Rabies.
bats even.
Rabies. Rabies infected animal directly transferred to the human by the biting. Example, through the saliva of the animal. Example, dog, bat, monkeys, and fox and raccoon. Something, especially the dogs, bat, and monkeys. This is under the category rabies virus under the category of the rhabdoviridae. Okay, rabies means the rhabdoviridae. It's a viral. Okay, right. Spread through the dogs, bat, monkeys, and raccoon. Okay, but it's clear what does anthropozoonosis means? ANTHRO, anthropozoonosis. What is that?
Which transfers from animals to human beings.
Okay, right. Okay. Zoonosis means from animal to human. Example, rabies. Zooanthroponosis from the human to animal in the Okay, from the human to cat and called the anthropozoonosis. The third important term in our zoonosis. Carefully listen the words. What is the meaning of amphi means? What is the meaning of amphibian? What does amphibian mean?
Water originated.
Okay, both terrestrial and aquatic amphibian. Examples are aquatic environment, that is called amphibianosis means that can be transmitted. Okay, and a disease from human to animal. The such the amphizoon staphylococcal infection means bees that can animal to animal both the direction if the disease is example staphylococcal infection. It's a clear ba? Next one. Second term, zoonosis. EU. Zoonosis. Some of the bad diseases curicatory ghost. What is the use of the parasitic disease? Obligatory host. Solium and the human act as the it is one is called anthroposis, zooanthroponosis, tuberculosis spread through the human to cat and monkeys. Anti means both direction, human and human to animal infection. What about the zoonosis? Human act as the obligate host and example tinea solium. The bacteria. Based on the bacteria is classified into two types, one based on the gram positive bacteria and negative bacteria. What is the gram? First
Sir,
what is the gram?
it is the
Oh,
dye used for staining the cell wall, which gives the bluish in color.
okay.
Generally,
Um, yes, sir.
Yes.
generally gram-positive bacteria are in like
Yeah, what is gram positive?
So there are those bacteria which have
Good.
and in gram peptidoglycan lipid layer.
Okay, that's what the difference.
So peptidoglycan layer helps stain. That's why
Holding the strain, retain. Okay. Not
Yes, yes.
you add the after decolorable is gram thick layer. I'm staying with is name. Okay, I'm saying based on the retail gram positive. Okay, okay, thank you. On the gram positivity or the gram negative using the zoonosis, especially the back zoonotic disease. I six which one zoonotic disease are important. Actually, disease, especially under the category zoonotic bacteria account for the mostly 40% of bovine origin. What does the bovine mean? Animal.
It's clear, sir.
People under the category of the zoonotic disease, which is the number of 42 disease origin based on the point is near person disease is the bacteria. Okay. Person of the prion, other agent. Okay. One is the most one parasitic is 29%, bacterial zoonotic disease and the prion, other chemical agent is causing the 2%. Okay. But is it clear? Okay. Next one. Okay. Especially for the virus in the current patient is the virus is important. It's the influenza viruses, especially in the viruses. Both there are the viruses are the two type of viruses. Viruses
RNA
and the DNA virus, material and the nuclear content based on DNA, RNA is the right. Okay, most of the animal DNA is most of plants and called the RNA viruses. Both the DNA and known as the Zoonoses viruses and RNA viruses known as we compare to DNA. RNA viruses are the more frequently linked. Okay, the following. There are the two type of viruses on DNA and RNA virus. Frequency is higher. So RNA is the COVID. Which type of virus? DNA virus or RNA virus?
virus.
Also, the influenza viruses is the. Anyone give answer? How the RNA in our body? Our human, how the RNA play in our host in human or any other.
they will control the RNA and they will begins. They will transmit the RNA and mRNA system
Okay, very good.
in the cell.
Yes, yes.
In the cell, they will mRNA and tRNA transmit and multiplication the RNA. Sir.
Okay, but convert the important, which is the important multiply in our human. Which enzyme? Enzyme is
So reverse transcriptase.
ah, yes, yes, very good. Reverse transcriptase enzyme. Oh, okay, rhythm is important. Okay, it's already is molecular biology. The biology is central dogma. You know the central dogma.
Yes, sir. Transcription and translation. Protein
One is
formations.
called DNA. So the DNA to mRNA is okay, DNA transcription from the is called the translation. Okay, that is called the
Translation.
is the central. This central means this is the core concept. The concept is changed. Which scientist is proposed the new central dogma? Anyone give answer? Jacob and the Nobel Prize. I give clue. First letter. I give the clue once. I give the first letter. P. The concept of the dogma. Physiology in the 1972. I give the second letter PAL. It's a Baltimore. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It's the Baltimore. Reverse transcriptase reverse central dogma is a proposal based on the HA. Also in the which type of virus? Okay. HIV is RNA virus or DNA virus? Hello. The answer for me.
RNA, sir.
RNA virus, single strand or double strand?
So single strand.
Single
All
strand
RNA
virus.
viruses are single strand only, sir.
Single strand viruses. Okay.
Sir?
Right. Some of the DNA viruses are different. Okay. Different. Okay, coming to this, based on the ecological agent. Okay, based on the second, based on their classic transmission, one is called the direct. Okay, what is the direct transmission? Direct. The pathogen directly or indirectly from the pathogen can be transmitted to human or Indirect two categories. One is and okay. One is that are transmitted human animal through the media directly transmitted. The medium is the influence of directly transmitted. What is the avian influenza means? A viral disease that is spread through the droplets. Okay. Example, other one example, rabies. Rabies are the infected animal, the pathogen to the human by bites. Example, rhabdoviridae through saliva, through the dogs, bat, monkeys, and raccoon and for direct zoonosis. So follow me. What is the direct zoonosis? A disease that are transmitted from human from animal through some avian influenza. And the rabies, the dog and the biting spread through the saliva. The second category is based. For example, the pathogen can be transmitted to hectare. Dengue is some of the part of the India. Dengue is now the spreading. Of the dengue is called the disease, which is the dengue
Mosquitoes, sir.
the vector is the vector-borne disease or the arthropod-borne disease. Okay. Mode of transmission direct to vector-based zoonosis. The based on the ecosystem. Based on the ecosystem, they divided bird. Synanthropic zoonosis. Other one is zoonosis means based on the transmission is a decision. Based system, they divided into two categories. Okay, one is called them zoonosis and exoanthropic. Synanthropic zoonosis means urban cycling. Urban cycling means within the population. Okay, the disease spread within the urban area. That is synanthropic zoonosis. Urban rabies and the zoonotic ringworm. Okay, urban means the dog, our location. Okay, that is called the zoonosis means is a urban rabies worm. That is called the second one. Anthropic zoonosis means in the nature of the human. Okay. Example, wildlife rabies. Is here clear? Xenanthropic means the site of the urban location. Exoanthropic is the wild plane. Xenanthropic zoonosis means is the exoanthropic cycle, wildlife area. Okay. Right. What is the term is what is cyclozoonosis means? What is cyclozoonosis? Transmission require one wet. Okay, that is called the different terminology for pathological studies. You terminology that is in what is direct to what is vector-borne zoonosis and final word require more than example teniasis. Example which one is spread that
Pork, sir. Pig.
Pickworm, solium. Okay, the two host mission is require the two hosts known as okay. called the, what is the metazoonosis mean? Both the transmission involve both the invertebrate involving. Example, arbovirus infection. What does cyclozoonosis mean? Cyclozoonosis means more than two vertebrates involving. Cyclozoonosis means two vertebrate hosts involved, the cyclozoonosis. What is the metazoonosis? Vertebrate host involving in the transmission. This is the meta. Okay, vertebrate and vertebrate host. Cyclozoonosis means, okay, might see clear. What is the saprozoonosis? What is saprozoonosis? Decaying material, the saprophytic. These are the from the saprophytic organism causing disease called the saprozoonosis or the saprozoonosis. The saprozoonosis means the spread some of the disease. Example, Aspergillus, Coccidia, Cryptococcus, and Zymosis. That is called the saprozoonosis. Okay. And finally, I give the one word is called the reverse zoonosis. What is reverse zoonosis? A reverse zoonosis means most of the disease are spread from the animal to human. Okay, most of the zoonotic disease come from the animal to human. Some of the disease are spread from again from animal to human. That is called the reverse zoonosis. Okay, is it clear, ma? Most of some terminology. What is reverse zoonosis? What is the metazoonosis? What is the cyclozoonosis? What is the synaptotropic zoonosis? What is exoanthropozoonosis? What is direct zoonosis? What is the vector-borne zoonosis? Okay, more using the some terminology. What is the euzoonosis? What is the amphizoonosis? What is the zooanthropozoonosis? What is the anthropozoonosis? Okay, I extend our class with your permission. I extended the class for 10 minutes. It's, okay.
Sure, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Okay. By there's a end of the class, but I ask the questions, give the answer. That's why I'm satisfied. Okay. I give the at least the some of the test. That's why I am satisfied. Otherwise, it is not. It's okay. I give the at least some give anthropozoonosis. Anyone give
Which
answer? What
spreads
is
from animal to human beings.
Is a zoonotic disease spread from the animal to human. Example?
Yes, sir.
Rabies.
Rabies. Rabies. Very good. What is the zooanthropozoonosis?
That is
Human to
which
animal.
spreads from
Example,
humans to
Human
Oh, animal. Example?
tuberculosis.
TB.
TB. This is spread from the human to cat and monkeys. What is the
Like even for humans to bears.
bears? Also human to bear. From the tuberculosis are mostly pathina is a tuberculosis different majorly mycobacterium tuberculosis infection is called affected the most of the bovine is the Catium bovis, M bovis mycobacterium they affect in the animals. Okay. That is called the bovine. Human as affecting the species is mycobacterium. In the mycobacterium category, other mycobacterium, the microbial leprae causing the which disease? Mycobacterium leprae. It's called the leprosy.
Sir, leprosis.
Okay, mycobacterium leprae is called the leper species. Okay. Next one. What is the amphizoonosis? Meaning of amphizoonosis?
disease that
Both
Second,
sides, sir.
Anti means both the direction.
Human to
Otherwise,
animal.
human to animal. I give the example. Which one is staphylococcal infection? Okay, started
Staphylococci.
from that is called. In the fourth one,
Act as a end host, sir.
what is the hue? Act as the intermediate host. Okay, example, tinea sodium. Okay, sodium teniasis disease. Okay, the in the human, based on the human, how much percentage of disease degree of the zoonotic?
60%.
61%.
60, 60, okay, 61. This, how much percentage is
42%.
40.
42%? How much percent of virus?
20.
22%. The second, 29% in parasitic, 5% in prions. Okay, what is biological agent?
Microorganisms.
Is organ viable microorganism that disease. Okay, what is called the zoonosis. Based on the zoonotic organism and categories. What are the bacterial disease, viral zoonosis, bacterial zoonosis, fungal protozoan zoonosis, and helminth zoonosis. Okay. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Next one. Next one. So, anyone give what is zoonosis? First question initially, what is zoonosis?
This is spread by animals.
Animal. The word derived from
Zoo,
it's
Greek.
Greek word zoon, Z-O-O-N, zoon.
Zoon.
What is the meaning of
Zoon
zoon? Zoon means animals.
animals, sir.
Animals.
Oh, sorry, N-O-S-O-S. Nosis means illness.
illness.
Illness is the causing. That is called the zoonosis. Okay. Finally, what is the mode of transmission broadly classified? Two type. One is called the direct, other one is called the indirect transmission. Okay, direct transmission and the indirect transmission. Okay, finally, what is the synanthropic zoonosis? What is synanthropic zoonosis? We'll give the one word. Synanthropic zoonosis means urban cycling.
Urban diseases.
Urban cycle diseases. What is the exoanthropic zoonosis means? From the wild
Wildlife.
cycle. From the wild. Okay. From the wild one. So finally, what is the cyclozoonosis means? What is cyclozoonosis?
Disease requires more than
More than
two.
two
Like the
vertebrates.
air it goes. The disease transmission, you need the more than that cyclozoonosis. What
Both vertebrates.
invertebrate pose are involution that is called the metasample arbo. Okay, arboviral infection. What is the reverse?
From human animals to human back to
Animal. Humans to
Reverse
animal.
from the human to animals. That is called the
Yep.
reverse zoonosis. Okay, one. Okay, ba. Thank you for your participation. Just wait, I posted our feedback link after you leave the class. Okay, wait. You have any doubt?
Sir, if diseases are spread through animals, it is zoonosis. If plants,
It's a plant. Oh, okay, fine. Discuss about it. I don't know.
fine, sir.
Okay. It's very good. Very good question. Very nice. And just simply you type in the Google. Very good. Just now, wait. Now I feedback link. Just now you fill. Hello. Hello. Oh, okay. Okay. Pathology. Okay.
Phytopathology,
So
okay.
phyto means plants. That is called the
Plants.
pathology means the study about the disease. That is called the
Correct.
phytopathology.
Thank you so much, sir.
Plants caused by the pathogen. Okay. It's a very good question. Okay. Suddenly, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. You see the next class. You see fill the feedback form. This
Thank you,
class is
sir.
useful for. This class is useful.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That our communication is up to the mark. No problem. You ask. No problem.
Perfect, sir.
Thank you for time. See you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.